Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record and share video on Loom. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says New Video. Go ahead and click on it to begin the recording process. This will open up the recording interface where you'll configure your settings. Next, you'll see an option that says Record a Video. Click on this to access the full recording setup. This is where you'll customize exactly what you want to capture in your video, whether it's your screen, a specific window, or just your camera. Now look for the first drop-down menu that appears. When you click on it, you'll see several options including full screen, window, current tab, or camera only. Each of these options serves a different purpose. Full screen captures everything on your display, window lets you select a specific application, current tab is perfect for browser-based demonstrations, and camera only records just you without any screen content. Choose the option that best fits what you're trying to record. After that, navigate to the drop-down menu for your camera. Click on it and select the camera device you want to use. This ensures Loom is capturing video from the correct source, which is especially important if you have multiple cameras connected to your computer. Similarly, click on the drop-down menu for your microphone and choose your preferred audio input device. This step is crucial for ensuring your audio comes through clearly, so make sure you select the microphone you want to use for narration. If you want to enhance your video's appearance, you can also click on Effects and then select Blur. This feature is useful when you want to maintain privacy or keep the focus on you rather than your background. Once you've configured all your settings, click the Start Recording button to begin. A prompt will appear asking you to choose which screen or window you want to share. Make your selection and click Share to confirm. At this point, Loom will begin recording everything you've set up. During your recording, you might need to pause temporarily. Simply click the pause icon located on the left side of your screen whenever you need to take a break. When you're completely finished, click the stop icon to end the recording session. After stopping, Loom will automatically open a new tab where you can preview your recorded video. Take a moment to review it and make sure everything looks good before sharing. When you're ready to share, click the Share button at the top of the page. You have several options here. First, you can add specific names and email addresses of people you want to share with. Then click Share to send it directly to them. You can also adjust the general access settings by choosing between public, open, or restricted. This controls who can view your video based on your privacy preferences. For quick sharing, click Copy Link to get a direct URL that you can paste anywhere you want. Alternatively, click External to share your video on external platforms, Social to post it on social media, or Embed to generate code that you can place on websites or blogs. And that's it. You've successfully recorded and shared a video on Loom, giving you a powerful tool for creating and distributing video content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.